What's up, guys? Today we're going to be wrapping a 370Z. Pretty sweet wrap going down the side of it, so we will get some video of that and kind of walk you guys through what's going on there. But it's definitely going to be a unique setup, and I think you guys will like it. So Skeeter's out with the old COVID right now, so he is not here, but it's all right. We'll get the job done. Skeeter will get better, and we'll move on to the next wrap. So alrighty, let's pull this thing out and take a look. Oh yeah. Let's get this thing cut out so it's ready to go on this car. What's up?
Shit, what's up, bro?
Made the drive, huh?
Yeah, fucking tired.
Yeah. They're nice. You got her stickered up. About lost the lip?
Yeah, about to. No wonder I heard a crack. Yeah.
Heck yeah, she looks good though.
Things first came out.
Really?
Yeah. I was trying to trade off that Honda 2000 off.
Yo, that's too.
You know how to do any burn skis or anything?
I don't know about that. There's a Mustang we wrapped not too long ago. Still looking super fiery. Thing is hot. You're good. Let's get this thing stickered up. I listened to this song too many times and it just burnt me out. Alright guys, got this thing going. Welcome to Detroit. Perfect. It's looking pretty sweet. That's hot. Alright, day one, and the car is looking great. Come take a look at it. some tidying up plus sponsors, and she's good to go. Alright, day 2 on the old 370Z, and we got most of it done yesterday. Just have to get some logos on and then get a little more splatter up here. And she's ready to go. Get her on the ground looking nice. Alright guys, we got the 370Z done, so we're about to pull out. Show you what she looks like, but she looks pretty sweet. So what's that?
That is a piece off of the new one. So we're solid.
Alright. Dang, bud, that looks sweet. Looks awesome. Big boy Tim. Oh, she got fogged up a little bit. It's all right. A little bit up front. Oh, you are the shot, pal. Good, too good. Good. Gee, can't hardly see it.
Yeah.
Looks sweet.
Knocked in there, bro. I like that.
How do you get more than 5 miles an hour? You won't see the door handles.
Oh, no. Definitely not. All right, man.
All right.
Appreciate it a lot.
Yep. Thanks again.
Yeah, I'm doing one.
We'll get with you soon and do a shoot. All right. So, here you go. You can video the Mustang coming in.
All right. Is it on? It's videoing. It's recording.
All right.